Have you ever heard of mitochondria? Maybe your answer is yes, maybe no, or maybe I've heard the word but never really understood it. Well, let me make this simple. Mitochondria are the parts of your cells that produce the energy your body runs on. Everything in your body that has to do with your health has to do with mitochondria. Why? Because everything takes energy. Let me show you how important mitochondria really are. If all your mitochondria stopped working right now, your brain would stop working, your heart would stop working, everything would shut down, and you would die. Do I have your attention yet? Hi, I'm Roger Hill, CEO of MoreMito LLC, and today I want to tell you a story about something inside your body that affects every aspect of your health, your energy, your aging, and even your ability to heal. This is the mitochondria story. When you were young, you had tons of mitochondria. That's why you had endless energy. You ran everywhere. You bounced back from anything. Your mom probably had to tell you to stop running around the house because you had so much energy you didn't know what to do with it. But then something happened. As you got older, you started to lose mitochondria, not just from aging, but from life itself. Diseases like high blood pressure, diabetes, and COVID damage mitochondria. Many medications, even antibiotics, can kill mitochondria. Remember, mitochondria are biotic, so antibiotics can harm them. Toxins in the environment, even common lawn chemicals like Roundup, can severely damage mitochondria. And the result, by age 60, most people have lost half their mitochondria. By age 80 or 90, many are down to 5 to 10% of what they once had. And when mitochondria disappear, energy disappears. Just look at what happens as people age. Vision changes. Is it harder to read fine print, more floaters, trouble with night vision, need a stronger prescription every year? All of that is tied to mitochondrial loss, mobility and strength, aches and pains, stiffness, less stamina, slower recovery. Again, mitochondria, vital systems, blood pressure, blood sugar, weight management, metabolism, all harder to maintain because your cells simply have less power. The immune system. Your immune cells need enormous amounts of energy to protect you, but how can they do their job when they've lost the mitochondria that fuel them? The answer is simple. They can't. This is where our lead scientist, Dr. Bevan, made a breakthrough. He asked, what if we could regrow mitochondria? What if we could restore the energy you had when you were younger? To do that, he decoded the natural signals your body uses to trigger mitochondrial growth, found plant-based ingredients that strengthen those signals. And then he built something revolutionary, a technology called XDS, the E-exponential delivery system. XDS reorganizes natural molecules so they can pass through your bloodstream, into your cells, and finally into your mitochondria themselves, which are thousands of times smaller than cells. This breakthrough made it possible to regrow mitochondria more effectively than ever before, and with that, we created our product line, MoreMito, Ultra Mitochondria. We currently offer 4 products, each playing a unique role. MoreMito Restore focuses on cellular repair and organ regeneration. It uses 2 ancient superfoods, high-grade olive oil, pure black seed oil. But ours are not what you find in a grocery store. These are the highest quality forms we can source globally. Restore includes 44 powerful ingredients that support brain, eyes, lungs, heart, gut, immune system, skin, and every major organ. It takes 2 months to complete the XDS process for all 44 ingredients, but the results speak for themselves. Renew uses water-soluble ingredients to support mitochondrial growth from a different pathway. It also includes additional compounds for cognitive health, brain clarity, mood support, mental energy. Restore plus Renew is our most complete internal mitochondrial support system. Rejuvenate works from the outside in. Use it on hair, scalp, skin, face, body, joints, anywhere with discomfort or inflammation. It penetrates deeply, all the way to the bone, making it excellent for mobility and joint challenges. And here's the secret. Add a little Restore into your jar of Rejuvenate. The 44 Restore ingredients will hitch a ride and penetrate through the skin much more effectively. Pet life is Restore, but formulated safely for pets. Since 75% of American households have a dog or cat and half consider them family, this product has become incredibly meaningful for pet health and longevity. At MoreMito, we don't try to diagnose, treat, or cure diseases. We believe something more powerful. Regrow mitochondria and let the body heal itself. When you restore cellular energy, the body can finally do what it already knows how to do, fix you. So let me ask you, which of your health concerns would you like your mitochondria to fix first? Most people say all of them, and that's exactly what we're here to help with. Connect with us, request more information, or join our upcoming health and wellness call to learn more. And remember, when you rebuild your mitochondria, you rebuild your life. Have you ever heard of mitochondria? Maybe your answer is yes, maybe no, or maybe I've heard the word but never really understood it. Well, let me make this simple. Mitochondria are the parts of your cells that produce the energy